Thank you INIU for sending this item to check out. And we are looking at the INIU power bank, the P50. And this is a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. Alright, let's see what's inside. Pulling out the tray. Got some paperwork, user manual. Very compact. We have the INIU fast charge. And then with this lanyard, it's actually a USB-C cable. Pull the cable out and it becomes a USB-C to USB-C cable. And here we have two connections, USB-C 1 and 2 and USB-A. And the USB-A can output 18 watts. The USB-C 2 can input 20 watts but output 45 watts. And then we have the USB-C 1 which can output 20 watts. We'll see if it's super fast charging 2.0. Super fast charging 2.0. So it's compatible with my Samsung 20S 4 Plus. Will I still get fast charging 2.0 if I'm charging it and doing a pass-through to my phone? While I can still charge my phone, I do not get super fast charging 2.0. When I disconnect it, I get super fast charging 2.0, and it'll take 27 minutes. When I plug it back into the device to charge, I'm getting charging started in 36 minutes until fully charged. Will this power bank be allowed on planes? Yes. The power bank meets the regulations of the TSA. Might be a typo, but I'm checking. USB 1. Yeah, super fast charging 2.0 started. I think there's a typo here. Here I'm charging the USB-C 1. And it says it only output 20 watts and can input 45 watts. But my phone maximum needs to be 45 watts for it to be super fast charging 2. So I'm thinking this is reversed. They probably got a typo here. I wasn't able to find any information about how much watts will be used if you connect 3 devices on each 3. Let's say they're very power hungry phones. So I'm going to assume maybe at maxed, and maybe 15, 15, and 15 will equal 45. That's probably the most you're going to get out of all these connections. Maybe less. So this phone will make a lightweight portable charger. And assuming if you're not going to be out too long, and you just need something real small, or just keep it as an emergency, you can charge at least your phone once or twice, depending on the phone. Like with the Samsung S24 Plus, you should be able to charge it at least once. And the older device and the smaller the battery, you can probably charge it 2 times or 3 times. And this has been the INIU pocket-sized portable charger.